Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And this week I'm here with a plan with me in my my mini happy planner for the week of October 15th through the 21st. And this video is going to be dedicated to some special ladies. One I did not have the opportunity to know, but she's the mother of my BFF, Mrs. Elaine Murray, and also to my good friend Nikki and her mother, Miss Mary, who are breast cancer survivors. And I just wanted to give a little time with some facts about breast cancer. 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in their lifetime. That's about every 2 minutes a woman is diagnosed with breast cancer, and also men develop breast cancer. So in recognition of this, my spread will be pink. And I know I've been MIA, but just getting a little acclimated with the new job. So I hope you guys enjoy this spread. Jumping right in, I'll be using a printable from Etsy. The name of the shop is called Z's Nook. And I also am going to be using some of the little bows from the Planner Shack, and then I also finally will use stickers from the Trendsetter mini sticker book. So here I decided to use the washi strips that came with that Etsy printable, and as you guys know, I cut it with my Cricut, and I'm just alternating the hot pink and pink here, and then I'll go directly down to the bottom excuse me, and I will do my favorite thing, which is layering stickers. You see there, I've layered it with a stripe sticker and of course with the breast cancer ribbon. So I'm just fitting the stickers on the page here, and I'm putting them strategically where I have things to, of course, to do during the week. A couple of weeks ago, I think was when I first started using that note section as my to buy section. So that's worked out really well because I just jot down things that I need to pick up from the store if I go out during the week. And what is a spread without a good coffee cup? So threw that down there and found a breast cancer light pink ribbon that also came with the kit. And here I am layering stickers. I jumped right in and added some marbled hot pink washi tape on the seam there and repunched the holes with my Happy Planner punch. And I put down that tree, that breast cancer tree. I didn't really like that, so I'll pull that up eventually. But I used those square bullet points to notate action items for me to complete on Thursday. And then I also go in and put down more bullet points for Saturday. And then I am fighting with the sticker that I didn't pay attention to when I was uploading it on the Cricut Design Space. So I'm having to literally take that one down at the bottom with the boxing gloves, fight like a girl. I had to individually peel those up to get them straight. So that's what took me a minute there. I'm also whiting out that orange October on the top of the page, added another breast cancer ribbon there, and eventually I will find a sticker that's in black to replace that October that was there. So here I'm going through making sure I don't need to add anything else. I am loving how the pink is coming out. There goes that October sticker I was telling you about, and I got that from one of the Happy Memory Planner Dates and Holidays sticker book. Of course, a spread is not complete without plans, so I grabbed my tool pen in medium and black and I began to jot down my plans. Did you notice that fabulous little thing that I was holding in my hand? Yes, that is one of the new accessories from Michaels. It's a meal plan, a wet erase board, but I used it to pre-plan my week. So you saw me using it as a point of reference to ensure that I miss none of my plans. Is that not just the cutest thing? I like how that worked. Now, although pink is not my favorite color and rose gold is, I absolutely love how this spread turned out, guys. I really do, with all the various shades of pink. Well, everyone, that completes my spread for the week. And I, once again, would like to shout out the people that I dedicated this spread to: Miss Elaine Murray, Nikki, and Miss Mary, two of our breast cancer survivors. So shout out to you ladies. Love you guys. A quick fact of a couple of things that can prevent or reduce your risk of breast cancer: limiting alcohol, do not smoke, control your weight, become physically active, breastfeed, ooh, past that part, limit dose and duration of hormone therapy, and avoid exposure to radiation and environmental pollution. And ladies, don't forget, have your check. If you have a history of breast cancer, whatever the recommendation your physician gives you, whether you start at 30, 35, you have to have a mammogram twice a year, then do it. Women over 40, we need one every year. So let's make sure that we do that and keep ourselves safe. I need you guys to do 3 things for me. Number 1, I need you guys to like this video. Thumbs up right below. And let me know that you liked it. And then number 2, comment below. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like to see more of or less of. I appreciate all feedback. And finally, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do so. And those that have been rocking with me since the beginning, which was 10 months ago, I really appreciate your support. If you're not following me over at Instagram, I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan and would love to interact with you there as well. Well, guys, that completes this plan with me, and I hope you have a great and productive week. Don't work too hard. Don't stress it. Ciao, Bella.